My dad came over, we did some baking last night, and he left flour all along there. Good morning guys, and welcome back to SV Squad channel. This morning it's Sunday. I'm gonna play a prank on Aussie. At the moment he's in the room, but yesterday I went to the mall with my sisters and I bought something. I bought a Chromecast. So basically I'm gonna be streaming a cracked screen video on the TV, and then I gotta switch the batteries around so that the TV remote doesn't work. And then I'm gonna accuse him of smashing the TV last night because I went to sleep before him. So he's still in the room, but I'm gonna get this set up. So this is what I got. So I'll be back. Aussie! Os! Siaosi!
Oh.
What happened to the TV?
Yeah. Yeah.
Come and look!
What happened? Wala mo ko. Siya, ngayon. Mga kamoy kape sa TV.
No, I was sleeping last night.
Yeah, fang ro kape TV. What the hell? What they paying me up?
Why are you... Seriously, you were the last one on here. I slept on the couch and you were playing your PlayStation.
Well,
Fix it!
Fix it later.
Do you know how much this TV was?
How much? Oh, no cut eh. No sawa po kayo kay TV. Ako ay kakain ka uya.
I've just been sitting here eating my cereal.
Ay.
And then I went to turn on the TV to see what's on.
Eu shema. 아니면 화해. 내일 맛있게 먹지.
You can't see it, it's through in the LED. Mais bonjour, allô. Pourquoi?
Nga mo fa. Oy ra nga sa lukke ko na niya. Sa full lukke full niya.
No, you're buying a new TV.
No, you buy it. Because you sleep last night, nothing happened.
Will something obviously happen?
No, nothing happened.
I can't believe you smashed our TV.
I'm gonna smash it.
Well, we're gonna have to buy a new one today.
Yes. We'll see up there now.
And I'm gonna use your money because you always play Fortnite on this TV and you smashed it.
I all lot of you are now. Walking. TV.
It's a prank, Ossie!
It's a fail prank.
Team Victoria, guys. Team Victoria.
That's the fail prank ever. Fail. I got it.
Me and Mia were meant to do this prank on him before they left, but I didn't get a Chromecast and we didn't really have time because by the time I thought of this prank, they only had 2 days left and we were really busy the last 2 days. But Ossie, I pranked Ossie! Woo, 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 woo.
It's fail. What do you mean?
That wasn't failure.
I know this time. I already know. Got a fail prank.
What do you mean you already know?
I know. That's why I come and say it.
I didn't fail. You thought the first time, didn't you? You came in. Savings. If I go TV for. Oh shit.
That's the fail prank. I got it. Make sure you stay tuned for my prank. I did a prank. Best prank ever.
Oh, you made me just like you. My beautifier, you're taking away the shame, you're taking away the pain. You've made me just like you. Bye guys, have a blessed Sunday, and comment down Team Victoria for more pranks to come on Georgie. Bye.
Comment down below if you're Tim Siaosi still waiting for my prank.
Bro, they're gonna be waiting forever. He always